yes. See, I'm wanting to desalinate this water. Yes. And as I explained to you, Mexico. I get the salt. Yes. I get the steam that generates the electricity. You get the fresh water, and I charge you 4 cents a gallon. Yes. For water that is made from a magnifying glass at 100 times the magnification of the sun. Yeah. Remember those two oceans I was telling you about? Yes. And if I use an HHO generator to generate the steam, yes, I get the salt. I get the electricity. Yes. And you get the fresh water at 5 cents a gallon. Now, I know we'll negotiate, yes, and I will give you a portion, yes, of the actual electricity that's produced to offset the amount of cost it is for you to get the fresh water. Right. But I get all the salt. That's right. I get all the desalinated salt. In Mexican, I get all the desalinated salt. Now, let's say I have this high temperature desalinated salt that happens to be the byproduct of the steam generated, yes, and I decide to make lenses out of it. This says, yes, a compound microscope uses two or more lens systems to provide higher magnifications. Now, the only question I have is, now, how much magnification of the sun is available through the using a salt lens? Yes, instead of some sort of sand lens. Now, I already know about solar furnaces. I can get temperatures up to 15,000 degrees. Yeah, you can. Is there any way that I can make a smaller lens with a greater magnification so as to increase the amount of steam that increases the amount of desalinated salt? Now, as an individual that gets all the salt, gets all the salt.